Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows mucocele of gallbladder. Incidentally, this patient also has pleural effusion and multiple renal stones. You can see the gallbladder, the patient is lying supine. The gallbladder mucocele distension, which is usually non-inflammatory, results from an outlet obstruction of the gallbladder and is commonly caused by an impacted stone in the neck of the gallbladder, but not in this case. No stone was seen in the gallbladder or in the cystic duct. The stone in the cystic duct, no single laboratory test is diagnostic of gallbladder mucocele. You can see the gallbladder is distended and whole of its lumen is filled with thick mucus inflammatory fluid, debris. Mucocele develops due to excessive accumulation of mucus. It may be due to impacted stone in the gallbladder neck. Most commonly are in the cystic duct or decreased gallbladder motility. A grossly distended thin-walled gallbladder measuring more than 5 cm across anteroposteriorly, an impacted stone in the infundibulum or neck of the gallbladder or in the cystic duct, and a clear fluid content indicates a possible mucocele. The ultrasonography's Murphy sign may be positive. Now you can see the patient is lying in the side-on position. And again in this position you can see the gallbladder, more or less the same picture as was seen in the spine position. Ultrasound uses sound waves to produce pictures of the gallbladder and the bile duct. It is used to identify signs of inflammation involving the gallbladder and is very good at showing gallstones. Ultrasound produces pictures of the gallbladder and bile duct. It shows signs of inflammation or indication that there is blockage of bile flow. Ultrasound is the most common test performed to evaluate gallbladder abnormalities. Now you can see, incidentally, this patient also has multiple renal stones. You can see the left kidney and the pelvic calicous system is dilated and whole of the renal pelvis is filled with multiple large stones. You can see the the stones are stone measure about 57.5 millimeter collectively. When the gallbladder is inflamed and swollen, it irritates the phrenic nerve. The phrenic nerve stretches from the abdomen through the chest and into the neck. Each time a fatty meal is taken, it aggravates the nerve and causes rapid pain in the right shoulder blade. Now you can see the pleural effusion. You can see a significant amount of fluid is seen in the left pleural cavity. The fluid is clear, having no internal echoes, and the collapsed lung tissue is floating. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.